So recently we have released some new feature in our sales quotation, which will help you in capturing new customer details in a better way. And also, you can go ahead and create the tags on quotation. So let me show you what new features have come and how it will be helpful to you. So we need to click on all modules, go to sales and purchase. Now here you need to go on quotation. So once you will come in quotation, please check few things we have changed. So on your right hand side, you will see a create document option. Click on this. Now we have added the sales inquiry document. Sales inquiry document is basically an internal document which will help you in capturing the lead. You just need to select the buyer, and here after selecting the buyer, please check this is an internal document which will get created. You can quickly just go ahead and create the sales inquiry, and then after from this you can create a quotation. Now what next we have came up with. Now talking about next, if we talk about the sales quotation, so in sales quotation we have also made some changes. On your right hand side, earlier you used to get the timeline. Now you will get the deal information. You can make anyone from your team the owner of quotation, the next action date you can define, the deal status you can define, and you can add tags as well. So this all functionality will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the quotation and make the follow-ups quickly. Same you can see in the dashboard as well. So let me go back to sales and purchase. Here is the quotation. Now please check. Here you can see the inquiry number. Then after, if we go ahead, deal owner, next action date, tags, you can filter it from tags and conversion status as well. So we have added the conversion status of pending, one, lost, cancelled, all. So I hope this particular functionality will be helpful to you in order to capture the new lead and take action faster on them. Have a good day ahead.